Hi, I'm Chris Boss, construction consultant. What we're going to do today is people ask, how do I unclog my toilet? Well, there are two main tools. Obviously, the plunger and a snake. First, we're going to try the plunger. The way I like to do it is you get it seated in there, give it a couple little pushes, then all the way down and all the way up. If you're not able to get it unclogged with the plunger, which usually works for me, then we're going to switch to the snake. This is the snake. It has two ends. One is just straight coil spring and the other one gets bigger. You're going to take the bigger one and just fish it down until you hit a clog. Once you hit the clog, you will undo this part. There's a nut and there's a screw. Get it as close to the end as you can to where the water is. And then you're going to turn it and just keep rotating it and pushing it forward until it pushes the clog out. So if that doesn't work, I suggest you can get a power snake, which attaches to a drill and does basically the rotating that I'm doing and the advancing on the drill. Or the other option is always to call a plumber. Hope you get your toilet unstuck. Thanks for watching. I'm Chris Boss.